If your irrigation zone does not turn on at all, no sound, no movement, no water, the system is failing differently than a zone that turns on but doesn't deliver water. That distinction matters. This video is a map, not a fix. We'll walk through the main diagnostic paths for zones that fail to activate so you can choose the right next step instead of guessing. Start at the controller. Confirm that the zone is being asked to run. Schedules, manual mode, and overrides all matter here. If the controller is sending a signal, move to power and wiring. Many dead zones are not mechanical failures, they are broken signals. Listen at the valve. A click tells you the solenoid is responding. Silence tells you the signal is not arriving. If the valve clicks but nothing happens, the problem shifts from electrical to mechanical. If only one zone fails while others run normally, the issue is localized. If all zones fail, the problem is likely upstream or global. And finally, know when to stop. If the next step requires digging without a clear target, replacing parts without confirmation, or disturbing buried lines, clarity may already be the successful result. Each of these paths is covered in short, focused videos in this playlist. Choose the step that matches what your system is already doing. If your zone turns on but doesn't deliver water, see the companion diagnostic map. Diagnosis before replacement.